Okay guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you how to make Bob-omb earrings. So what you would need is of course some black, a little bit of orange, some gray for the top, earring hoops and eye pins, and a little bit of white clay for the eyes. You want to condition your clay by folding it and squishing it between your fingers to get it malleable and nice and soft and ready to work with. Okay, I don't have none of my tools out because I'm silly. So let me grab my tools here. I need my blades. You're gonna need your blade. I go with the flexible one because I like using that one better. I'll set the other ones up there in case I need it. And I think that's it. I think that'll be all we need for this. Okay, so we're gonna get this worked up and ready, and then I want to roll it out where it's even. But I want to make an even roll here, as even as I can get it. All right, and then I'm gonna cut it in half, as even as I can get it, and then roll it into a ball. Let me just rub my hands together. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good size for the Bob-omb earrings. So now that we have our balls done, we're gonna roll this out as even as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, now we're gonna cut this into fours. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's good to me. And we'll save this little piece for another time. And now we're going to take each one of these little noodles we have. Alright, so we're going to roll like this. Roll, and then push forward on it. And then same thing. Roll. Put it down. And then push. And that should give us 2 little feet. I'm going to do the same with these before I pick those up. Roll. And then push. Alright, I'm going to roll. Get it up next to it. And then push. Okay. Now, this one. I'm going to try and get my edges right. Alright, I'm going to take this and lift it up. Like, oh no. Dang it. I don't want it to stick. But it is sticking. Alright, so these Bob-omb feet look cute. These turned out okay. I'm trying, guys. I've never done this before. I'm just trying it out. I'm gonna stick them together with some liquid clay. Just put a little dab on the feet like that. And then take one of my balls and just set it up there. Now that one has 2 little feet. So now we're starting out with 2 little noodles again. We're gonna rub this together, make a little ball, and then push like that. Move the sides. Gonna rub this together in our fingers. Make it a nice little shape. We're gonna put it next to this one like that, and then push. And I think we have a little bit more than we need, so we're just gonna cut some off here on the sides. I'm gonna work with it a little bit and trying to straighten up the edges. Okay. Well, I'm gonna fix this part. 2 seconds. Pull up. There we go. That should be great. I can't see it because it's facing the other way, but I'm gonna lift them off and see what we got. I'm gonna push it down like that. Alright, I'm gonna go in between the feet and kind of distinguish the split a little more like that. Okay, and then we're gonna take our liquid Sculpey and put a little dab on the feet like that. Okay, I'll put a liquid Sculpey up there, and I'm gonna take one of my little Bob-omb guys that I have, and I'm just gonna gently wiggle him around so that the little feet fit. See? There we go. We got his little feet on, and we're ready for the next part. I'm gonna set these up here. Okay. The next part, I'm gonna use gray clay, and we just want a teeny tiny little pinch, just a little bit, because this is gonna be the top part. So we're gonna again make a little snake, a little bit thinner right there in that spot. Okay, now, and then we're gonna split it in half. Best I can with the camera in front of me. I hope that was, nope, nowhere close. Well, kinda, right. Alright, I'm gonna take this little piece and put it on my side, and then we're gonna take these two pieces and roll them together. Okay, and then we're gonna go flat, flat, like that. And then we're gonna set that on top. Same thing with this one, except you can't see it. Okay. I'm going to set this on top of the Bob-omb. Just pat it down so it will stick. And same thing with this one. I'm just patting it down to get them to go together. And this is where I'm going to take my my eye pins, and we're going to clip it about there. See? About that far down. I think, you know, might go a little bit to about right there. I'm gonna clip it. All right, and save your wire for any other projects you want to do. And we're just gonna stick it right in the middle of the gray. Okay, see, like that. He looks so cute already, and he's not even done. And then we're gonna do the same thing here. And if you don't get them the same size, it's fine, because you're not gonna see it. But make sure that it's long enough to go in your Bob-omb. And this is plenty long, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Stick it through the top, pressing down as I go. Now, we cannot forget the eyeballs. So we're just going to get a tiny bit of white. I mean, teeny tiny. And I hate this clay because it sticks to you. And you can see my hands. Okay, a teeny tiny. Ugh. Now, we're going to make the other eyes for this guy. And here's our two little pieces of white clay. I'm going to roll it into a ball. And then press with our fingers, and then shape an oval like that. Oh, sorry, almost had it. Like an oval shape. Okay. Now we're gonna place it on this side, and then tap. Tap, 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 to get it how I want it, like that. And there we go. Now, take and place it on here, like that. There we go. Okay. There we go. I think that is perfect. I just dropped the little guy. I'm gonna try and flatten his feet out so he stand up. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Q-tip right here. I'm gonna dip it in some rubbing alcohol and then clean it up a little bit by holding on to the eye pin that I stuck in there earlier. I'm gonna just clean him up a little bit, try to remove some fingerprints and stuff. Now I'm gonna bake these, if you can see them. This one is leaning back a little bit. It's fine. Let me set him up. I'm gonna bake these at 250 for about, since it's a ball, I think I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes. Okay, and after they're done baking, then we can make earrings out of them. I will be back after they're done baking. Hello guys, and welcome back. My little friends here have had time to bake, and now I'm gonna take them. They're good and cooled off now. They baked for 15 minutes. I didn't let them bake the whole 20. I think 15 minutes was long enough. So we're gonna take them and see about getting them on here. It's already open a little bit, but not enough. So I'm just slightly gonna bend it out, hopefully. just a little bit, not a lot, because I don't want to mess up the shape of the earring piece. And if we could get it to slide in there. There we go. Now I'm gonna take and close it up. Just with a little pinch. I'm gonna get the ball out of the way. I'm just gonna pinch it just a little bit. Careful. Okay, there. Okay guys, I'm back and I have just mounted my first earring onto the earring loop. I am going to do the second one now. I'm taking my pliers, if you can see. I'm taking my pliers and I'm going to open it just a tad. I'm not going to open it far, just enough to get it in there. Now make sure that your bomb is facing forward. Hook him on and gently close it. That'll work. It wasn't as gentle as I wanted it to be. But good enough, good enough. And there we go. We have our Bob-omb earrings. So now I'm going to be putting acrylic polyurethane glaze on it. It's open, so I'm not going to... There we go, polyacrylic. And the only one I could find is the clear semi-gloss. Yeah, there we go. Clear semi-gloss was the only one I could find. Just a light coat. I'm going to turn it around and see how good I got the back. It looks good. And get the bottom. I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush and try to cover this one. Dang it. We're going to hold the earring piece in between our fingers and we're just going to lightly and slowly cover it with this polyacrylic, because if we go fast it seems to give us air bubbles. And I'm going to hang it up here like that. I'm going to do a look around, make sure it looks good to me, and it looks really good. Looks good, looks good. Now I'm going to let these dry